You know, one of the most fundamental building blocks of communication is your ability to build and maintain rapport with the person that you are talking to. So I want to give you a couple of simple tips on how to build rapport. And one of the most sort of key things that you can think of is to mention or talk about some things that are common ground, that are easy for both of you to, the person that you're conversing with, for example, to have an affinity, something that is similar, that you can be like, oh, I kind of know what this person is like because, well, they like golf or they like boating or whatever it is, for example. You can also match other things about them that is going to create that sort of affinity. The other person is going to feel like, oh, this person kind of knows me. I'm talking about things like voice quality and body language. Like if a person comes up to you and you're having a conversation, they're like this, and you're fully open and very actioning like this, then the person might feel like it's a bit of a mismatch with rapport. And breaking rapport is never good. So if you want to build rapport with that same person, you can match kind of what they're doing, and then slowly in your own time, as you build the conversation and rapport is built, then you can turn on and open up your body language, and the person hopefully is going to follow. So this rapport particularly is very important in any situation where you want to influence somebody else to do something. And I know that may seem like, well, I don't influence people, I'm not in sales or whatever, but think about any time that you get your kids to pick up their clothes, get your husband to take out the trash, you get your wife to go with you to do something X, Y, and Z. Those are things that I'm talking about. You want to influence people all the time. You're either influencing or being influenced. And having that bit of rapport building is the thing that is going to actually help you do that. So there you go. Building rapport is easy. Just find some common ground and mention it in your conversations, and that will help.
Hey, if you found value in this video, please hit the like button so more people can find it, and consider subscribing to the channel and clicking the bell for more life-enhancing content. Oh, and by the way, there's no rush. Hang around, watch some other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.